Hello YouTube, MUFC Lyon here, and I'm back again in the video. So Lyon agreed deal to sign Memphis Depay from Man United. Sky Sports News. So Lyon have agreed a deal to sign Memphis Depay from Manchester United for a fee which could rise to £21.7 million according to Sky sources. So Sky sources also understand that United will have a buyback option as well as sell-on clauses inside into the deal that takes the Netherlands international to the League One club. The potential add-ons include Lyon securing qualification for Champions League and Memphis signing a new contract with them. So Depay joined for around 25 million in June 2015 under Louis van Gaal but fell out of favour. He's featured just 8 times under Mourinho and his last appearance coming against Feyenoord in the Europa League. So yeah, it's a pretty good transfer. I think 21 million, we got only a 4 million loss on him. It's time for Memphis to move on. It's time for Manchester United to move on from Memphis Depay and find our new number 7. And I think that's going to be Antoine Griezmann, but that's going to be another video. So yeah, Memphis Depay to Lyon is done deal. Sky sources have said it. We've got a buyback option just in case he rediscovers his form he got at PSV. So that should be good. But these are just a quick update on Man United transfer news. Please like, subscribe. It's been MVS Religion, and I'll see you guys later.